If you don't like this video right now, you will have bad luck all 2020. But if you like this video, 2020 will be the best year you ever have. Without further ado, let's get straight to this bomb o'clock video. Gang. What's good, Bizzy gang? You already know what it is. It's your boy Bizzy, and I'm back with another banger. And today, we about to be getting on monkey and asking girls, what's your body count? How many bodies you got? I want to see. Hey, look, man, some of y'all females really be opening y'all legs for anybody. You know what I'm saying? And that ain't good. Before I hit this monkey app, I need y'all to smash that like button right now. I ain't gonna be doing too much talking, man. Without further ado, let's get straight to this bomb o'clock video. Gang. Wow. Oh, you so nasty. You a little nasty little hoe. Yo. What's good?
Nothing. Add time.
What? How old are you?
I am 19.
Oh my God.
What?
I don't think you should be on this app. Wow. Hello?
What up?
Hey, what's good? Hey, can I ask you a question? You have time?
Yeah.
Alright, better. Alright, so the question of the day is, how many bodies you got?
I stopped counting after I got to 50, but I feel like I'm in a good, 80s.
Wait, you serious or?
Yeah, I'm serious. There's no reason to lie.
So you said like 80 something?
Yeah, I feel like that's a good guesstimate.
You trying to make it 81?
You're not even in my zip code, probably.
I mean, I'm just saying though, like, yo, 80, you have 80 bodies?
Somewhere around there. I stopped counting after 50.
Wow. I don't know what to say. GG. That is crazy. Listen, look at me. That is crazy, okay?
Really?
Yes. And you know what else is crazy? You know what else is crazy? I like your grab. I'm a fool, bro. I know. I said I like a gap. Hello?
Hello?
What's good?
Where are you from?
I'm from North Carolina. Hey, can you have time real quick so I can ask you a question?
What part of North Carolina?
That's too much information, but
no, I'm from North Carolina too. I'm from Balance.
A word?
Mm-hmm.
I stay near Raleigh, but I got a question. Are you ready? Are you ready for the question?
Yeah.
How many bodies you got?
3.
That's cap. That's cap.
How?
You sound like you grown as fuck. You only got 3 bodies?
I'm not.
Oh, you only got 3 bodies. GG, bro. GG. Was they wet though? At least was they wet?
I said I'm young.
I know, but like I'm saying, like, was they wet though? Like, you know what I'm saying? It was some good coons, yo, right?
Not really.
Damn. I could put that in the YouTube video.
I don't care.
Oh yeah, you dangerous, boy. Hey, subscribe to my channel though, bro.
What is it?
Bizzy gang. Wow. He just ditched his damn. Hold on. Hello? What's good? Hey, can I have more time so I can ask you a question?
Yeah.
Bet that up though, because but the question is, how many bodies you got?
3.
Oh, you only got 3? Okay. I mean, that's
How many bodies
good.
do you have? How many bodies do you
I only have 1 body, okay?
You do,
But
for real? How old are you?
I'm 21.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's good to be 21.
Yeah, already. You know what I'm saying? Down on it, you feel me? Hey, but look, though, can I use that for a YouTube video?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. All right, subscribe to my channel, too. It's Bizzy Gang.
It's Bizzy Gang. How you spell it?
Bizzy and then gang. Gang.
Okay.
All right, bet.
Okay.
She was nice, though. I like people like that. She was nice, though. You feel me? You feel me? Hello?
No, you're only 4 years old.
Snow Bunny. There's a Snow Bunny on the out there, guys. A snow. God, I done found me a Snow Bunny. Hey, add more time real quick. I ask you a question. All right, so the question is, how many bodies you got?
What's up?
The question is, how many bodies you got?
How many? What?
How many bodies you got?
I'm pretty good. How many bodies I got?
Yeah.
I mean, 1.
You only got 1?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Can I use that for a YouTube video?
No, sir.
Why?
Because.
Okay, I won't use it. I'm gonna use it anyway. I'm gonna use that shit anyway. I don't give a blind. Hello?
What's up?
Hey, what's good? Hey, can you have more time real quick? I gotta ask you a question. Yeah, gang. Alright, so the question is, how many bodies you got?
I'm gonna have to get an Abby though, because I don't know, because down here in Carrollton, the police come back to you.
Huh?
And shit.
Oh, you got 3?
Well,
Oh, okay. Why you looking? I only got 1. You feel me? I only got 1.
Yeah.
Ain't nobody cap. I'm doing a whole YouTube video. Why would I cap for YouTube now? Hey, but look though, no cap. You look good though. Like you my girl though. Like fuck all that YouTube shit. Fuck this shit. I want to be your nigga, bro. Real talk. You look good.
How old are you?
I'm 20. I'm 21.
Okay. I'm 21.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Like what's good? Like fuck this YouTube shit. I can cut the camera off. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Fuck the camera though. Huh?
You're not recording nothing.
Yes, I.
When I get an address,
Come on, you ain't recording nothing. Hang on. Next person. Yo. Gang. Alright, so I got a question. Can you have more time?
What's the question?
Alright, so the question of the day is, how many bodies you got?
How many what?
How many bodies you got?
0.
So you never had sex?
Correct.
Wow. That is impressive.
Yeah, some people think it's weird. Some people like really respect it. I don't really care. I'm just living my life.
Oh my God. That right there is actually a blessing because when you do have sex, it's like you can't stop. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm not even lie to you.
Yeah, well, especially at a young age, I don't want to get emotionally attached to people, and that's what a lot of people do.
Oh yeah. You know what I'm saying? You gonna get attached now. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta break it down a couple notch though. Hey, but thank you though. I'm gonna use that for a YouTube video. Okay?
Okay.
All right. I don't know why, but white people are the coolest. Like, yo.
Going in with the James Charles palette. Add time. So you a YouTuber?
Yeah.
Oh, I said that wrong.
Yeah.
How many subscribers you got?
I got 3,000.
No, you did not. Do you really?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. Hold on.
Yes,
hold
I
on, hold on.
do. Go subscribe to my
Wait,
channel
time.
right now. Huh?
Keep adding time. Keep adding time.
I got you. I got you. I got you. But yeah, though, I'm.
Again. One more time.
Okay.
Alright. You got 2 minutes. Oh, dang. Oh. I gotta look you up on my phone. God damn it. Anyway, what's your name?
It's Bizzy.
Hold on, I'm not there yet. Sorry.
Oh, you good? You
My
good? You
phone
good?
is retarded. Okay. Bizzy.
And then type in G, and then it'll fill in like everything else. Like it'll say Busy Gang.
Busy Gang?
Yeah, that's me.
Oh!
Gang, gang, gang. You feel me? Oh my God. Gang, gang, gang.
I'm following. I'm subscribing.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. Hey, if y'all want me to drop another video like that, all you gotta do is smash the like button, comment down below right now. I'm about to do this post notification shout out. Let's get it. Post notification shout out goes to Kayla TV Gang Gang. You feel me? Other post notification shout out goes to Sandy Boo 21 Gang Gang Gang. You know what's going on. Another post notification shout out goes to Naomi Kalina. Gang, 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 you feel me? Another post notification shout out goes to Jakaya Warrior. Gang, gang, gang. If you want a chance to get a shout out in any of my videos, all you gotta do is turn on my bell, subscribe to the channel, and comment Busy Gang down below. You already know what it is, man. I am out. Peace.